Hi everyone, audio both are clear, all of you? It was got little bit late. Okay, right. Audio both are clear, all of you? Everyone, it is clear. All of you, everyone, audio both are clear or not? Somebody just check it. Right. So here, what we are doing here is right. We'll be starting the new series. Right. What is this new series we are starting? If you just observe it, this is a new series we are starting. That is. All state PSC PYQs on surveying, right? All state PSC PYQs on this surveying subject we are starting. So every Wednesday, Thursday, Friday you are having, right? Yeah, Naveen, you are only there. So Naveen, Leena, Karpaya, good evening guys. Right, it has got bit late because my OBS software has got uninstalled. Right, again that software settings and changing, it has taken a lot of time. Right, okay, let it be. So we'll be continuing now. So all of you, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it, right? Everyone is ready to crack, all of you? Everyone is ready to crack or not? Yes, get ready to crack, all of you. Whenever you are subscribing for the Plus and Iconic courses, don't forget to use the referral code RPCivil Live. So GATE and ESE Civil Engineering by myself. And this is my profile, you can follow me at which, and what is my referral code you have to use? RPCivil Live is my referral code you have to use always, okay? These are all the subjects I'll be taking in Unacademy Plus platform. Right now, what is that offer going on, all of you? 24 months subscription if you are taking, plus subscription 4 months extra you are getting, and also 12 months subscription if you are taking, 3 months extra you are getting. So, and this offer is valid up to this March 10th only, right? Don't miss this offer, all of you, right? Don't miss this opportunity, right? So yes, I am good, I am good. So whenever you are subscribing for the Plus and Iconic courses, ask your friends to use the referral code RPCivil Live, okay? RPCivil, right? Monday, Tuesday, no classes are there. Only Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I'll be taking this surveying state PSC, all state PSC PYQs of surveying, okay? And on March 13th at 11 a.m., don't miss this, all of you, right? Don't miss this combat event. So 20 questions will be there and 60 minutes time is there. Don't miss this, all of you. Right now, so test series, right? Unacademy has started this test series also. So you can purchase this test series, right? You can give this information to all your friends so that they will also be purchasing the test series, all of you, okay? Those who are willing to. These are all the benefits of this iconic subscription if you are having along with the plus benefits, right? No, if you want I can take in which one? These are other subjects, right? Yeah, SOM classes I'll be continuing, Karpaya, don't worry. SOM classes I'll be continuing morning 7 o'clock, right? Day after tomorrow onwards I'll be continuing SOM classes, okay? So these are the subjects in verbal ability, reasoning, and technical C, C++, right? And those are the placement related subjects you can say, right? That is the syllabus covered, right? From today onwards, what happens? These are the new batches starting. So don't miss this opportunity, all of you. Use the referral code RPCivil Live and subscribe to the Plus and Iconic courses, all of you. Okay, day after tomorrow onwards, I'll just discuss first in the groups and then I'll start. Okay, whether students are interested or not, I'll come to know. Then after that, I'll start. Okay. RPCivil Live is the referral code you have to recommend, okay? So target batch also, right? Vision batch also, right? These are all the batches starting if you just observe, right? Like that. Now, YouTube live class on which one? Surveying all state PSC PYQs, right? All state PSC PYQs part 1. Now, coming to this, right? From today onwards, every Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, right? Every Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you will be having what? Every Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you will be here. You will be having which one? You will be having these things if you just observe. Okay, right. Now, first chapter, right? We will be starting with this first chapter, chapter 1, fundamentals of this surveying, right? Fundamentals of surveying, right? So, is that clear? Yeah. This fundamentals of surveying, all of you, right? So, tell me the answer for this first question. A survey which consists of observation of these heavenly bodies such as, right, heavenly bodies such as sun or any fixed star is known as, right? Whenever you are observing these heavenly bodies, right, what is the meaning of these heavenly bodies? They are located in heaven. Is video not clear? Naveen, what you do is you just click on this, right, at the top that is there now. You click on that video and go to the settings, right? Go to the settings and in that quality will be there. In that quality, click on the quality and high picture quality you select high picture quality, right? You select at least 360, 144 pixel will be there, 350 pixel you select it, okay? Now then the video will be clear. Just change the quality of the video in your settings, okay? Just change the quality of video in settings, all of you, okay? Quality, just click on the settings, and so there 144p is there now. Click on that 144p, or it is higher picture quality, or you just click on the advanced. Click on the advanced and select at least 360p, 480p, 360p. If you select now, your video will be clear then. Now just check it and select. Tell me all of you, right? Leena Ghost said that it is option D. Leena Ghost said that it is option D, na? And any other answer? Any other answer by any other fellows? All of you. Any other answer by anybody else? A. Celestial survey, astronomical survey, astrological survey, heaven survey, astronomical survey. It is, right? It is not astrological. It is astronomical survey. Okay? Yeah. Yes, yes, right. Lina, A is a celestial survey. Astronomical survey, what you are doing is celestial bodies we are studying. Okay? Celestial bodies we are studying, right? What are these celestial bodies or heavenly bodies? If you just observe, Lina. Heaven. Celestial bodies are heavenly bodies. These are stars, sun and other stars, moon. These are all your heavenly bodies or celestial bodies only, no? Whenever you are studying the celestial bodies, you cannot call it as celestial study. Just to confuse you only, that is given. Is that clear, Lina? Everyone? To confuse you only, that is given like that, right? To confuse you only, that is given. Okay? So don't get confusion, right? Don't get confusion, right? Sun or fixed stars are nothing but your celestial bodies. So don't get confusion with this, right? Celestial survey. Is there any astrological survey? Have you heard the name any astrological survey? All of you. Have you heard any name called as astrological survey? Anywhere? Anytime? There is no such kind of name called as astrological survey, all of you, right? There is no such kind of name called as astrological survey, right? That is just to confuse you in a hurry, it is given, right? Heaven survey. Because we are discussing the heavenly bodies, can you call it as a heaven survey? So somebody will be constructing heaven survey, somebody will be constructing hell survey. Is it so? Do you have any such kind of surveys? No such kind of surveys, right? But it is called with which name? Astronomical survey. Astronomical survey you call it as, right? Astronomical survey, right? Yes, Bablu, correct, right? D is the correct one. Is it clear, anyone? Anyone? Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear, all of you? Why this option D is correct? Other options are just given to confuse you only, nothing else. Okay? Other options are just given for confusion only. Yes, na? Shall I move to the next question? Yes, I'll be moving on to the second question, right? I'll be moving on to the second question, right? Which of the following closely represent the shape of the earth, right? Which of the following closely represent the shape of the earth, right? So in our plus classes, many times you have discussed this point if you just observe, right? What is that? Spheroid, ellipsoid, oblate spheroid, or prolate spheroid. Which one it is, all of you? Anyone else? Yeah. Leena, Naveen and Karapaya. These three said it is oblate spheroid. Any other answer by anyone else? Any other answer by anyone else? C? Okay, Bablu, you also said C? Yes, very good, right? Oblate spheroid. What is the meaning of this oblate spheroid if you just observe? Bablu, Uttarakhand. Okay, very good, right? Yeah, this is Uttarakhand combined state PSU only. This is Maharashtra one. First one is Maharashtra, second one is Uttarakhand, right? Yes, na? Chaya. No, it is not. It is not. It is not that spheroid. Simply spheroid means what is that, Chaya? Spheroid means exactly the sphere without any difference, right? Without any difference, right? Without any difference, right? It is exactly the sphere. But earth shape is exactly the sphere, or it is approximately similar to that of your onion, you can say. It is similar to that of your onion or tomato, na? Yes or no? You are also from Uttarakhand, very good, right? Onion or tomato shape you are having, na, generally. Onion or tomato shape means it is oblate spheroid, right? It is oblate spheroid, you can say, right? It is looking like a spheric sphere, but it is not exactly a sphere, right? Little bit difference is there. Is that clear? Onion or tomato, similar to which one? Onion or tomato. Is that clear, everyone? So shall I move on to the next question then? Third question. Yes, I'll be moving on to the third question then, right? So now select the answer for this question, all of you. This is the third question. Yeah, Bablu, what you need to do is, yeah, clear nahi dekh raha means you have to change which one, you have to change the clarity. Click on this white color one is visible na, just click on this, and there right side one you are having the settings symbol na, click on the settings symbol, and quality will be there na, click on the quality and press advanced and select 360, 480, 720, 180 pixel. Okay, so that is better, right? Then video will be clearly visible. Okay, Bablu, that is how you have to select it. That is how you make the video clear. Okay, is that clear, Bablu? Just change it and check. And now the instrument attached to the wheel of a vehicle to measure the distance traveled. It is not the speed. Karpaya, it is which one? It is which one? It is not the speed, right? It is not, it is speed or which one? Yeah, pedometer, speedometer, odometer and passmeter, right? What is that you can say? It is the odometer only, the answer na? Yes, generally even though we call it as odometer, environmental also we come across one odometer. Yeah, very good Lina, right? Advanced is 1080 pixels, it is 720 is just HD na, right? In case of environmental engineering also one odometer you are getting, but that odometer is for smell na, order. That odometer is for order, but this odometer is for which one? This is distances and speeds, right? Distances and speeds observation you can say, yes na. And what is that pedometer? If you just observe, what is that pedometer? Pedometer is used by which one? This is pedestrians, right? Pedometer is used for which one? Pedestrian. Pedometer is used by which one? This is pedestrians. If you just observe, right? Pedometer is used by pedestrians, right? Sometimes whenever you are doing a survey na, so people will be walking by carrying this pedometer, and so that they will be observing how much distance they have covered. Is that clear, all of you? Is that clear? How much distance they have covered, they will be observing by means of foot, how many steps they have done. That is your pedometer. Okay, pedometer also we can use for distance measurement by manual walking. Okay, manual walking. But for vehicle, when you are attaching, it is odometer. Whenever you are attaching to your vehicle, that is odometer. If you just observe, is that clear? The difference between the pedometer and odometer, this pedometer is attached to what? It is attached to whom? It is attached to whom? It is attached to whom? It is attached to whom, all of you? Arey yaar, what happened here? 1 second. It is attached to whom? 1 second. It is attached to whom? It is attached to humans while walking. Okay? During walking. Okay? Is that clear, everyone? So odometer is for what? Vehicles wheels you are attaching, and whenever you are attaching, right? Whenever you are attaching, yes, we can calculate it. We can calculate it. But where is that speedometer? Generally, Prashant, is it attached to the wheels? Are you attaching them to the wheels? No, na, no, na. That a round circle will be representing the speed, na, that is your speedometer, you consider. That is your speedometer, you can say. Is it directly attached to wheels, Prashant? No, na, no. This is an externally attached element, you can say. Externally attached element to the wheels, so that based on the rotations it will be calculating the distance covered, how many circumferences it is covering. Based on the number of circumferences it is taking. Okay, is that clear? So that is why you call it, you cannot call it as a speedometer. Okay, so this pedometer is attached to which one? These humans while walking, whenever they are doing surveying by walking, you can say, if you just observe it like that. Shall I move to the next question, all of you? Shall I move to the next question? Yes, I'll be moving on to the next question, right? I'll be moving on to the next question, right? Fourth question. Third question is clear, everyone? Once this third one is clear, tell me. I'll try to move on to the fourth one, all of you. Shall I move? Yes, I'll move on to the fourth one, right? Select the answer. Yeah, select the answer, all of you, for this. Actually, these classes, all my classes are in English, Mohit. Okay, if you want little bit Hindi, I can mix. Right, don't worry. ओके यूकेपीएससी जेई में 40 क्वेश्चन होगा। सर्वेइंग से है क्या बबलू? सर्वेइंग से पूछ रहे हैं क्या आप? और इट इज जनरली सर्वेइंग से 40 क्वेश्चंस यू आर हैविंग, so it is better you go with all these questions then, right? ये all of you have mentioned ये only. So GPSC गुजरात पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन में दिया, GPSC राजस्थान GWS उत्तराखंड पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन, right? So here these many times this question is given. What is that? The type of surveying in which curvature of the earth is taken into account is called as, right? In which of the surveying curvature of the earth is taken into account, right? Which surveying? It is geodetic surveying na? Yes, it is your geodetic surveying, right? So the survey in which curvature of earth is taken into account, right? वो survey उसमें curvature of earth consider करना है, वो कौन सा वाला सर्वे है? जियोडेटिक सर्वे. Whenever आप प्लेन सर्वेइंग बोले तो सो प्लेन सर्वेइंग में कर्वेचर ऑफ एर्थ कंसिडर करना है क्या और नहीं करना? कर्वेचर ऑफ एर्थ कंसिडर नहीं करना. ओके, वी शुड नॉट कंसिडर द कर्वेचर ऑफ एर्थ इन प्लेन सर्वेइंग, राइट? इफ इट इज कंसिडर्ड जियोडेटिक, if it is not considered plane survey. Is that clear, the difference? Shall I move to the fifth question all of you? Shall I move to the fifth question all of you? Shall I? Yes, I will be moving into the fifth question, right? Next question, if you just observe it, this is your question number 5. This is your question number 5, right? Like that. So what is this? Tell me the answer all of you. In which of the following types of survey is not based on the object of survey? Okay, which of the following is not based on the object of survey, right? What is that object of survey? You identify first, after that you can identify the answer very easily. Okay, yeah, Karupaya said D. Okay, you just write the options, that is better na? All of you just write the options, you just comment your option, right? Not the answer exactly, but comment your option, that is better to identify for me. Okay, especially D, 5 wala D. Anyone else? Other answers? Any other answers? Prashant, Leena, Bablu said D, Karpaya said D. Any other answers? Naveen, D. Sabhi, Mohit, everyone is saying D only, right? Sabko D lag raha hai, correct? Right. Which of the following types of survey is not based on the object of survey? Not based on the object of survey, right? Not based on the object of survey, right? First of all, if you just observe, based on the object or objective of survey, what is that you can say? Short notes for CE. Yeah. Which of the following is the object of survey? If you just observe, object is nothing but, right? Object is nothing but the target, na? Okay. So here if you just observe, based on the object of survey, one is engineering survey, military survey, mine survey, geological survey, archaeological survey. This is based on which one? This is based on the object of survey. Is that clear? Shall I write those lists all of you or no need? Classification based on the object. Classification based on the object of survey. Shall I write them or no need? Shall I write the list? Classification based on the object of survey, right? Bhanut, Anvesh, correct? Right. Classification based on the object of survey, if you just observe it, which one are there? First one is your engineering survey. First one is your which one? This engineering survey, right? Second one is what? Military survey. Military survey, right? So engineering survey tud gaya, military survey, okay, we can eliminate it here, right? Next one is what? Mine survey. Based on the object of survey, these are the classifications you are having, right? Mine survey. Next, geological survey. So geological survey also eliminated here, yes na? Geological survey, right? Next, what is that? Archaeological survey. Short notes for CE. It is not astronomical survey, it is archaeological survey. So these are the classifications based on the object of surveying, right? These are the classifications based on the object of surveying, right? So generally if you just observe, right, astronomical survey, right? Astronomical survey is it related to the object or it is related to the specific target? You can say specific target point you are having. That astronomical survey is a general map or image of a which one sky generally, which takes a specific observation target na. In case of your engineering survey, what are all the engineering features available? We'll be observing, right? Dams, roads, railway, which are all available, we'll be seeing, right? Geological survey, which one these rocks are available, minerals are available, geological aspects, all in a group we'll see. Military survey also, what we are seeing, if you just observe in this military survey also, we are observing where is Pakistan's posts are there, bunkers are there, so those air bases are there, those things will be observing na. But astronomical survey, we are observing a particular star, right? Yes or no? We are observing a particular star. So first three are related to which one? This earth. Then last one is what, right? Last one is what? Astronomical survey is related to which one? It is related to this sky, if you just observe, right? Is that clear? Yeah, yes, both are same, right? Both are same, right? Astronomical survey means it is only one kind of astronomical survey you are having. So from one question to other question, there will not be any variation of this astronomical survey. Okay. So here which one is correct? Based on the object of survey, these are the surveys you are having. It does not include astronomical survey. Okay. Is that clear, everyone? Shall I move to the sixth question, all of you? Shall I move to the sixth question, everyone? Yes, I'll be moving on to the sixth question, right? Try to answer, all of you. This is your sixth question, right? So this is which question? Fifth wala. Fifth wala is SJVNL na? SJVNL question, right? Right. So answer this sixth one. This is ESE question, but it is similar to state PSC type question na? This is also state PSC level question, right? That is why I have given this question here. Okay, if you just observe. Tell the answer, all of you. Yeah, Leena said A. Tanvir, are you not getting any sound? Others are getting sound or not? Karapaya. Clear nahi dikh raha hai kya? Yeah, Bablu, did you change the quality? Did you change the quality? You change the quality to which one? You just change the quality. You just change the quality to which one? Clear, visible, clear hai kya? Audible and visible? Yeah, Tanvir, you just check your site, just check your internet. Just check your internet connection, Tanvir. Yeah, any other answer? Yeah, Shiva Kumar, yes, very good. Any other answer, all of you? 6A, right? Karpaya said A, Bablu said A, and Leena said A. Any other answer by any other fellows? Any other answer by any others? Any other answer by any others? Or shall I proceed as usual now? Right, okay, we'll see. Statement 1, right? What is that statement 1, if you just observe? What is that statement 1, if you just observe? What is that statement 1, if you just observe? What is that statement 1, if you just observe? The statement 1 is the fundamental principle of surveying is to work from whole to part. Right? Yes, very good, right? Work from whole to part, right? Work from whole to part, right? What is the meaning of this work from whole to part, all of you? What is the meaning of this work from whole to part, all of you? Ved Prakash, yeah? Okay. What is the meaning of work from whole to part? First we'll be fixing the boundaries. Let us say, first we'll be fixing the boundaries. Let us say this is your A, B, C. These are the boundaries you are fixing first. After fixing the boundaries, what we are going? We are going for selection of which one? This inside details, right? So this intermediate point you are fixing here, this intermediate point, this intermediate point, this intermediate point. Like that you are fixing the intermediate points after fixing the boundaries first, right? That is your work from whole to part. Whole means what? Bigger dimension. Part means what? A smaller dimension, you can say. Isn't it? You are watching from your home only. Very good. Right. Yes, na? Isn't it? Work from whole to part means first we will fix the outer boundaries. From the outer boundaries will come to the inner elements. Isn't it? Outer boundaries will come to the inner elements. That is work from whole to part. Work from part to whole means what? Work from part to whole means reverse ho jayega na. So means we will start from here and we will start with this small line and we'll go to this one, 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 we'll go to this one. Like that we are going backward. Now Now if you just observe, all of you listen carefully here. Suppose if you are measuring this particular line wrongly, if you are measuring this particular line wrongly, and this error will be carried to this particular line, and this is carried to that line, and it is carried to that line. Whenever you are working from part to whole, whenever you are working from this part to whole, what happens? Errors will be carried over na. Errors will be, right? This is small line error, right? Let us say that is A, B, C, D you are having na. So this is your PQ. If you are having some error in the line measurement of this PQ error will be shifted to which one? This PS, and this PS error will be carried over to this SD. So like that, errors will be carried over to the entire work na. If you are working from part to whole, part to whole means chota wala se bada wala dimensions. But if you are working from whole to part, what will happen? First we will fix this, 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 right? Suppose if any error is there in this line PQ, will it be affecting this AP line? Any error in the line PQ, will it be affecting this DS line? No, na. So whenever you are working from outer dimensions to these inner dimensions, right? Outer dimensions to these inner dimensions, whole to part means bada se chota. If you do work, it will be removing the errors na. So first one is correct. As statement one is what? Working from whole to part is which one? The principle of surveying. Statement one is what? Statement two is what? Working from whole to part ensures the prevention of accumulation of possible errors in surveying work over larger area. Yes, assertion is true. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true, and statement 2 is a correct explanation of this statement 1. Is it clear, everyone? So which option is correct now? Is it not that option A correct, all of you? Yes, it is absolutely option A correct, isn't it? Yes, it is absolutely option A correct. Yes na? कोई doubt है क्या इसमें? Is that clear? Shall I move to the next question? 7th question. Yes, we'll move on to the next question. This is 7th question, right? Yeah. Select the answer, all of you. Write your option. So today we'll solve only 10 questions, but tomorrow onwards we'll try to solve 15 to 20 questions every day. Okay? Today we'll solve only 10 questions. Tomorrow onwards 15 to 20 questions we'll try to solve. Okay? Select the answer, all of you. This one. Muhammad said D. Any other? D. Tanveer, Karpaya, Leena. Everybody said ready. Everybody said D only. Ready. Everybody said this D only. Ready. Everybody said this D only. Right? Is it correct? Right? What is it given? If you just observe in the question. Yeah. What is it given in the question? If you just observe, what is that question given in this? Measurement of this discharge of river usually forms a part of. In Maharashtra State PSC it is given. And the branch of surveying which deals with water bodies is known as, right? It is Gujarat, that water service board it is given, right? Which one it is? Theodolite survey, sea survey, tachyometric survey, hydrographic survey, right? So question itself is giving the answer na, all of you. Question itself is giving the answer na. Discharge of river means water bodies na. River is called as a water body or not? Yes. हम river को water body पूछ सकते हैं क्या? Yes, absolutely, absolutely. We can call a river as a water body. Surveying which deals with water bodies is hydrographic survey. Absolutely right. Hydrographic survey. Absolutely right. Shall I go to the next question? 8th question. Yes. Question number 8. All of you try to select the answer. Everyone. Everyone select the answer here. Yeah, I'll be providing this PDF in my community, right? Whenever you are following me on Unacademy, na, you'll get this, okay? Community, I'll be posting it, okay? You are following my profile, right? Rohit, if you are following my profile, you can find this, okay? I'll just share this PDF for every chapter. Once the first chapter questions are over, I'll share the PDF. Once the second chapter questions are over, I'll share the PDF, okay? In my community, I'll be sharing it, okay? Don't worry. Right. In my community I'll be sharing, or I'll be sharing in the groups also, right? If you just observe, right? Yeah. Which one? D. Everybody is saying this D only. Everybody is saying this D only, all of you. Everybody is saying this D only. Yes, absolutely right. 1 second, right? What is that? 1 second, na? Yes. This is GPSC Polytechnic lecturers, right? This is GPSC Polytechnic lecturers, right? UKPSC JE civil paper 7522. Okay, in that also it is given. In that also the same question is given. Is it so? Recent papers I don't have. 2022 and 21 papers I don't have. If anybody is having latest papers, just send me. I'll try to include those questions also. Okay. 1 second is equal to, right? What is that 1 second if you just observe? What is that 1 second if you just observe? 1 second is nothing but, right? 1 second is equal to, can we say 1 by 60 times this 1 minute? Can we say 1 by 60 times this 1 minute? 1 by 60 times this 1 minute is nothing but 1 by 60 times. So 1 by 60 times this 1 degree. Is not? Then you have to convert into radians. Now what is that 1 degree? You can say 1 by 60 into this 1 by 60 into, what is that 1 degree? If you just observe, 1 degree is nothing but your pi by 180, right? We have to, if you wanted to convert that degrees to, right, if you wanted to convert this degrees to radians, we have to multiply with pi by 180. So tell me how much it comes to be, every one of you. Tell me how much it comes to be if you just observe. Pi divided by how much? What is the value? Pi by 180 into 60 into 60. Right? Pi by 180 into 60 into 60 means 6,48,000. Yes, pi by 6,48,000. Right? Option D will be the correct answer. Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear, everyone? Right. I'll be moving on to the next question. Right? Last but one question. So shall I move to the 9th question? Yes, I'll be moving on to the 9th question. Select the answer of you. 9th wala question. Read the question carefully, right? Naveen, read the question carefully. Everyone, read the question carefully and answer correctly. Yeah, Naveen said A, Karupaya, Leena, Tanvir said B. Read the question carefully, guys. Bablu, Ved Prakash said B. B, C. Yes, this is RPSC wala question, right? RPSC wala question. Plane surveying, in plane surveying, the curvature of the earth is taken into consideration. It is the plane surveying we take the consideration of earth curvature into consideration, or it is the geodetic surveying. It is a geodetic surveying in which earth curvature is taken into account. Plane surveying means the curvature of earth is not taken into account, right? Yes, option B is absolutely correct. Yes, option B is absolutely correct, right? Option B is absolutely correct, right? And plane surveying, the survey extends over small area. This also can be correct, all of you. This also can be correct. So survey extends over large area, that is wrong. So which options are correct? You can say option B and C both are correct, right? But if it is given as your MSQ, you can select like this. But if it is given as this MCQ, which one we have to consider? Which one is the most correct answer? Which one is the most correct answer? We have to select, all of you. Which one is taken as your most correct answer? B will be taken as your most correct answer. Okay, all of you. Sir, even though C is also correct, right? Why you are recommending only B here? Because the question, read the question carefully. In plane surveying, what you are doing? In plane surveying, curvature of earth is not taken into consideration. So, suppose if you wanted to select this C as answer, the plane surveying extends over small area. If only it is given as the plane surveying is, right? The plane surveying extends over the small area. But which one is the first and foremost parameter regarding that? Which one is the first and foremost parameter regarding that? Earth curvature is not taken into account. We are assuming that earth is a flat theory we are following. Because of that theory only, it is better we should apply for small area. So which one is the first and foremost condition? You can say B or C is the first and foremost condition. B is the first thing we have to mention. So that is why they have given this answer B as a correct answer. Is that clear, everyone? Whenever this kind of questions comes into picture, which one we have to select? Which one is most appropriate one we have to select? Now everyone, most appropriate answer we have to select. Absolutely. Is that clear? Why we have selected B? Is that clear, everyone? Even though B and C both are correct, but which one should be selected? B is more appropriate na, because plane surveying means curvature of earth is the first and foremost thing. From that curvature of earth is not considered condition only, we can say that small areas are used, right? From small areas we cannot say curvature of earth na. From curvature of earth is not considered condition only, we can say that small areas are considered. Yes, na? Now this is the last question for today. The main principle of surveying is to. The main principle of this surveying is to, right? What is that main principle of surveying? All of you? Yeah, I'll solve, right? Half an hour class is only there, na? Half an hour class is only there, Lena. Today we'll stop here because the KP sir's class is already started, na? So that is why I'm stopping. So whenever I'm taking classes next time, na, I'll be taking more classes, don't worry. Okay, how much it will be? The main principles of the surveying is to work from part to whole or whole to part. This is your B, na? Yes, this is your B. That is your C, this is your D. Which option is correct? From whole to part, na? Yes, principle of surveying is to work from whole to part, right? Just now we have discussed, na? So Tamil Nadu Genco it is given, GWS, Uttarakhand, RPSC, many examinations it is given if you just have it, right? Like that, okay? So is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear, everyone? So I'll be closing the session now. So tomorrow, okay, shall I move on to the next question? One more question also. Okay, 11th question, because I have added this question here. Yeah, so tell me the answer for this question, of you. This is the last question we'll solve here. Which one is the correct answer? Already we have discussed this part, na? Which one? Similar question given in a different manner. It is given in UPPCL, GPSC, Punjab PSC, UPPSC. Many of these things it is given, right? Which one? Which one you can say? Which one is all of you? C, D. Some people are telling C, some people are telling D. Which one is correct? Its main purpose is what? To avoid accumulation of errors only. Its main purpose is avoiding accumulation of errors only. Okay? Its main purpose, right? Main purpose of this working from whole to part is avoiding accumulation of errors only, right? That is the main part, right? C, we have to take it, right? Surveying work can be completed quickly, right? When you can complete the surveying work quickly, if the number of observations are lesser, right? If the number of observations are lesser, then only we can complete which one? Then only we can complete which one? Then only we can complete the surveying work quickly. When the plotting becomes easily in case of plane table survey, just because of this it will not become easy. Yes, na? Is it so? Because of working from whole to part, will it become easy? No, it is not like that. It is not like that, right? So you may be having many. If you are having simple details, then plotting becomes easy and surveying can be completed quickly. But if it is complexities and more things to be represented, then it cannot be easy and it cannot be completed quickly. Okay, working from whole to part, main reason for that is to avoid the accumulation of errors only, nothing else. Okay, option C will be the correct answer. Is that clear, everyone? So tomorrow's class at 4:30 p.m. Is that clear, everyone? So shall we close the session? Yes, we'll be closing the session, all of you. Tomorrow we'll be continuing to the session, right? Tomorrow we'll be continuing to the session, right? Tomorrow we'll be continuing, all of you, okay? Right. So tomorrow we'll try to solve at least 20 questions, right? 4:30 we'll solve. Tomorrow at least we'll try to solve 20 questions or 15 questions at least, okay? Is that clear? 15 to 20 questions we'll try to solve tomorrow, okay? More quickly we'll go tomorrow, right? Thank you, all of you. Have a good day. Yeah, why, Lina? Questions I did not upload here.